Luen Cheong Printing Equipment Limited is a professional silk screen pad printing machine manufacturer. Includes researching, designing, producing, and sales. We are specialized in fully automatic UV screen printing machine, pad printing machine, flat cylinder screen printing machine, hot foil stamping machine, heat transfer machine, UV curing machine, IR hot drying tunnel, and pre-post printer equipment output various printing machine, about 800 sets per year, meet CE certificate. We can provide full auto printing solutions for customers' requirements. We have complete industrial chain, use large CNC machines from parts processing, polishing, welding, assembly, programs, testing, make samples according customer. We provide a complete set of screen printing equipment. You can get one-stop shopping service. LC is our own brand. Our LC machines were exported to 136 different countries, 2,000 customers. Hundreds of good feedback were received from all over the world. We try our best to create a well-known brand by our quality, with competitive price and professional after-sales service. Our service policy: 1. All of machines provide English operation video and specific video. 2. All of machines can guarantee 1 year for free and provide lifetime maintenance. 3. Welcome to visit our company, and we supply technology training. We strictly implement the European Union CE quality control system and get SGS verified certificate. We can do OEM, ODM. Welcome to visit our company, check and get training. Welcome cooperation partner.